Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic 3D Max tutorial how to link geometry. So as example, I will create a box object and another I will create a sapphire like this. And if you want to link these objects into the box, you can select the object. I will select these two objects and then you can click this icon, select and link. Now you can click on the object, hold, and then you can link into the box object like this. If you select the box and then you move, another object will be automatically moved. So I will select again this object, use these tools, select and link. You can click on the object, hold, and then you can move into the box object. So I will use move tools to move this box and the other object will be moved. Okay, that's it for basic 3D Max tutorial, how to link geometry. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.